Welcome to my YouTube channel, Half Fast Hugo. Today we are not riding. So let's see, as everybody knows, I'm in northern Minnesota, and we have had, last week my yard was brown. We had zero snow on the ground. There's no snow base. So it's been kind of a crazy winter. We've had a lot of warm temperatures, and actually buds started popping out on the trees. So it's been kind of crazy. But as you can see from my driveway, it needs to be snow blowed again. So yeah, I'm gonna get the snow blower out, and it'll be the 5th time I've snow blowed it since yesterday. 3 times yesterday. This will be the 2nd time today. I've got probably another 4 inches of snow on the ground again. So anyhow, so that's going to delay things. Trails did open up for a little while today. Actually started last night, but there's a lot of fresh snow on the ground, so they did groom a little short loop, but not sure that I want to partake in that. Got a lot of work to do anyway. So you'll see some videos come out in the future, hopefully. I know I got a trip down to Arkansas coming up next month and a couple other trips, so things are going to be on a little hiatus for a little bit. But anyways, appreciate you staying watching. Go back and look at some of those other videos. Most importantly, get outside. Thanks for watching.